inkinga esoba nayo guys kaThumeka. uThumeka is bonding to uQhawe as if ubonda no Likamva. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Inimba from the 26th to the 30th of January 2026 on Monday. Grief transforms into something harder to ignore. A child slips through the crack as others spirally inward. One man's desperation forces a dangerous intervention on Tuesday. While attention shifts elsewhere, one child disappears emotionally, disappointed, cut deeper than anger. When the silence finally breaks, the truth can no longer be ignored on Wednesday. A gathering meant to heal instead of expresses deeply or deep fractures. A secret plan threatens to blow a family apart. By night's end, nothing feels same anymore on Thursday. Grief erupts publicly, leaving everyone shaken and afraid. Comfort is sought in unexpected places as a quickly plan unfolds. A sudden interruption threatened to expose everything on Friday. Lines and finally drones as the consequences comes due. Families are forced to face the cost of silence and protection. Just as healing seems possible, truth lands that changes everything. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.